Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to cook an egg in the microwave. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually open up this egg. So let's get it cracking. Boom, easy crack once, boom, just like that onto your paper bowl, or if you're using real bowls because you don't mind doing dishes, that works too. So I'm going to throw the shell away. Okay, so after you've thrown the shell away, at this point you're going to want to destroy the yolk. So I'm going to use a toothpick. You could actually use a fork. So we're just going to get in there and really just mix up that yolk, really destroy it at this point so that you can make yourself a nice cooked egg in the microwave. Okay, and just like that, we have ourselves a nice scrambled egg, you know, all destroyed up. Next, if you want to add any seasoning, for myself, I'm just gonna add a little bit of pepper here. And just take a look at that beautiful, delicious. Next, you're gonna get a paper towel. One of these half paper towels work best, so we're just going to cover this bowl here and we're going to bring it to the microwave, because if you do not cover the bowl, then you run the risk of the egg exploding all over your microwave. So opening up the microwave, putting the egg in the microwave, and we're just gonna make sure that's properly covered. And at this point, we're just gonna put it in for 30 seconds. Okay, and as you can see, it is starting to come down. Okay, so I'm just gonna open that up real quick and just take a quick peek. Now we're gonna put it in again for a second time, again for 30 seconds. So as you can see, the egg is beginning to cook. I don't wanna put it in for the full minute because there's a higher chance of it blowing up and exploding everywhere. So I made sure to cover up my egg completely again, and we're gonna put it in for another 30 seconds. Okay, here we go at the end of round 2 of the 30 seconds, and let's take this egg out of the microwave at this point, bringing it back over to the table here. And as you can see, at this point our egg is completely cooked and looking really delicious, so we could just add that onto a bagel and make a nice bagel sandwich. Okay, just showing you guys what I'm gonna do with my egg. As you can see, I put it on a thin sliced bagel, and now I'm just gonna add the top to it right there, and there we go. This is looking like a beautiful bagel that I'm going to eat, and it only took a minute's worth of time to make, so this is pretty awesome. If you're looking for a quick meal, be sure to do this, and if this video helped you out, be sure to hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys later.